when it comes to making money with ChatGPT online, I've narrowed it down to the 3 best ways that no one else is talking about. First, we're gonna talk about a ChatGPT Bitcoin bot that plays the crypto market for you, buying low, selling high while you're chilling. Second, we're gonna dive into the world of selling AI generated art, and then we unveiling a ChatGPT tool that will make you a bag in affiliate marketing, recommending products and earning you commissions in your sleep. And in today's video, I'm gonna break down those 3 innovative methods, showing you how to not only use ChatGPT and AI to make money online, but to do it in the most laziest, efficient way possible. Let's go. All right, so before we dive into just the world of automated bots, it's about buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, aiming to purchase at a low price and sell at a high price. But here's where automation comes in, using sophisticated algorithms to execute trades precisely, eliminating the need for constant monitoring. It's really like having an expert trader working for you 24/7. Now, let's introduce our main hero, ChatGPT, and we're gonna do a simple setup. ChatGPT is gonna help us create this bot using the power of AI to analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Now, setting this up might sound a little tech savvy, but stick with me. I promise you it's simpler than you think. Now, what you're looking at is a bot that was created by ChatGPT for me, which I'm gonna show you how to do. It's a simple Bitcoin price monitor and suggested action monitor, right? So this thing notifies me when the price drops or increases. I have it set every 5 minutes. What I asked it was, can you build me a simple bot that monitors the price of Bitcoin and tells me to buy or sell based on market trends? Is it even possible with HTML? And I did it with HTML in mind because I knew that HTML was like a beginner, like coding language. We could do this in Python, but as far as for a beginner, somebody who's trying to, make some money and just needs something quick, this is perfect. So it pretty much explained how it all worked. What it does is use an API, which is application programming interface, from a cryptocurrency market data provider like CoinGecko, Coin API, or Crypto Compare. It uses JavaScript for the logic and the back end. It tells you to kind of use something more complex for if you wanted to do more with it, and we're gonna get into that. But basically, I'm gonna walk you through doing this part, right? So I use Sublime text editor. It's free, it's open source, and it's easy for doing stuff like this. So once you're in Sublime, you see I already have this stuff here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go new file, and I'm gonna copy this code in, copy, paste, and then we're gonna save as. We're gonna go to another folder called Bitcoin Bot 2 or 3, and we're gonna title this index.html. Then it gives me the JavaScript. So I'm gonna copy the JavaScript in, go to Sublime, make a new file, paste that in. Now I'm gonna go to the bottom over here to plain text, hit JavaScript, boom, hit save. I'm gonna save this as script.js, and then I'm gonna hit save. And then I'm gonna go to that folder. I'm gonna hit the index.html file. So here you see it's just a skeleton, bare bones Bitcoin price bot. And that's what I came up with at first. But I wanted to take it further than that. So I asked, can we update it to have some good styling? I want the price to display on a card. The card has a drop shadow. It's gonna be like Google type styling. Also, is it possible to add a graph that displays it visually below? So then it gave me this code, and I'm gonna copy this code in. That's the new index HTML. So you're gonna copy that in, save, and now we have a CSS file. We're gonna copy that in, make a new file, copy it in, go over here, hit CSS, then we're gonna hit save as, and then we're gonna do styles. So make sure we save every time we touch a code file. And then we're gonna take this new JavaScript, come over here to our script file, Control A, save that in. And now if we refresh this, now we have something closer to the one I displayed to you earlier. So then from there, I kind of did like some basic tweaks. I experimented with adding just more functionality, right? So I added a week ago versus a month ago versus the last 24 hours. I also made it update every 5 minutes so that you could see when you could see a visual graph, right? Just like right now, it just updated. And so we see just from when we just created our bot, the price started at 67,423, and now 5 minutes later, it's at 67,377. So to take it a step further and make this really a lazy method, and honestly with a bot that you created in like 3 seconds, you could ask it, give me the steps to connect it to my Coinbase account or whatever you use to trade, and make it automatically sell to stop loss based on trends. So then it would give you all those steps. Those steps are ones that I couldn't perform on this video because then you would be able to steal all my crypto. Coinbase is what I'm going to suggest because it supports doing this, but not all of them do support this. And you can take it further as far as the functionality in your bot. You can have it interpret trading signals, execute trades based on predetermined criteria, and you can customize this so you can make the bot to be as aggressive or conservative as you like based on your risk tolerance, what you have to play with. See? Like, as you see, we have it continuously running and it's showing a drop. So you could say after a drop like this, hurry up and sell before the loss. Some tips that I would say to take this to the next level to really start earning in your sleep is you can keep your bot updated. So you can tell it, hey, I want to monitor other upcoming coins that have rose maybe X% within the last 24 hours. I want to see if I can get in. But with these tools, not only are you trading smart, you can automate the process and do that in your sleep, literally. All right, so the next way that I'm going to suggest you make lazy money is through AI art. Now, here is a brand that I've actually been hip to since they came along. They are called Iconic. And what they educated me to when I first seen it was how much money people pay for wall art, for like paintings, period. I'd never really realized how much people paid for this stuff. I mean, let's take this in a 60 by 40. It's $550. And it's gonna blow you away when you find out how much it's gonna cost us to make this exact same thing. I know what you're thinking, like the Michael Jordan stuff, all this other stuff. AI isn't good enough to do this stuff with the text yet. However, AI can do these. AI can do these. So if you look over the past 5 years, canvas art has just stayed steady. And let's go to 2004 to present, just see. You see it's honestly done nothing but rise and rise and rise and rise. So canvas art, this type of stuff isn't going anywhere. And you used to have to be a hell of a graphic designer or a hell of a photographer to get this image, but not anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go have ChatGPT DALL-E generate this exact same image for us. The thing with AI image generation is all prompting. If you want to replicate an image or even get something really nice, you need to really know how to describe it. And so what I've kind of done to reverse engineer that process is I'll upload an image in. So I'm going to upload that image in and ask ChatGPT to explain that image. Okay. And so it gave me this prompt. So what I'm going to do is copy this. And for some reason, I like to start a new window and say, make this image, and then paste that in. Okay, so you have to tweak it because this isn't as cool, right? So I'm gonna say, first off, we're gonna take the mindset out. So we're gonna edit this. Let's say make it hyper realistic and where it would fit a 40 by 60 canvas. Okay, so I like this a little better. So I'm gonna save that image and save that. And so boom, now we've got our artwork already. Now here's how we're gonna monetize and make money off of this. This is how we're gonna sell this. You have a Shopify. Shopify right now is giving $1 free trial. See, look, I'm on the trial right now. So you're gonna make a Shopify store. Next, you're gonna go to add apps. You're gonna install Printify. So we're gonna go to open full site. Now, once you get in Printify, you're gonna look at the catalog. You're gonna go to home and living, and then boom, canvas. So now it's just about pricing whichever one you want, right? So they got 48 sizes. They got printers in the United States, UK, everywhere. So let's just pick them. Let's just start designing. Explore by myself. Got it. All right, so we'll just pick one. We'll pick the thick ones. They got the 30 by 40s. So that's what we'll go with. So we're gonna upload from my device. We're gonna go to the cat and we'll go to web to JPEG converter. And you could do that on, you could do that. All right, so once you have that, you're gonna simply bring that image in, stretch it. We're gonna rotate again, cause this the one we actually, this the one we want. Boom, so now, boom, we're gonna save that. And see, now look, now you can see what that bad boy looks like on a wall. And now we have that product available on our store. All right, so then we're gonna hit publish. And now that product is active on our store. So if you preview it, you can put it up right there. And let's, just for reference, go back and see $239 they're getting for that same size. So you can really see the profit that you can make doing it this way. You can get more creative. You can do like landscapes, just anything that you can pretty much think of that you can create a prompt for. You can do the same. And this is also a way that you can make some fast money with little effort in your sleep. All right, so the last lazy way I'm going to show y'all is actually using a custom GPT to build an Amazon affiliate marketing bot. Now, what this bot is going to actually serve for is other people. Other people are going to use it, but where you're going to make money is any link that it gives, you will get credit for it. So I'm going to show y'all how it works pretty much. Affiliate marketing is pretty much the idea that if I refer someone to your product, then you pay me a percentage of that sale. Now, a lot of services have an affiliate marketing program, but Amazon is one of the ones to where if you do enough volume, you can make some good money. I have made some money with Amazon affiliates in the past. So with the custom GPT, I pretty much told it that I wanted to build a GPT that helps people find products on Amazon. I wanted to be able to filter Prime and filter all kind of specs. I want to tie my Amazon affiliate link where I get credit for all of them. So it went through the process of creating me a logo, a name for my custom GPT. Because think of a custom GPT like this. A custom GPT is like, it's ChatGPT, but it's to specialize in something. It hyper focuses on one thing. So I told it I wanted to find best matches. I want anything that will ship later than, or sorry, earlier than Prime. This bot aims to do Prime. I plugged in my affiliate ID. And so you would go to AmazonAssociates.com, sign up for an account. Once you get in, your store ID is going to be the ID that ties to it. Okay, that's going to be the one that gives you credit on that sale. And the thing with Amazon, and this is where people make good money too, is because let's say I send you there to get pancake mix, right? And your link gets, you go to my link to get pancake mix. Even if you go buy toilet tissue or whatever, I get credit and I get a percentage of that entire sale. That's something that you need to keep in mind. Now, once I inserted my tracking ID, I refined it. I made it include the links to each one. They didn't display the right links. So this is how a custom GPT works. You just talk it through fixing itself. It's that simple. And then once you have that custom GPT, then it's time to start testing it. I need a memory card for my Lumix S5. So it returned these three, and as you see, my link is in there. But this is how you're always gonna know if you got credit for it or not. You're gonna come over here to Amazon. You're gonna go to Tools, Link Checker, check your link, and then boom, it'll tell you that that link is valid and is tagged to your associate ID, right? So here's the next step. You're gonna create this GPT. You can publish it to the store. Put whatever category you'd like, and then hit share. So once you get it, even if it's not approved on the GPT store, you can still put it in different Reddits, have different people use it, send it to your family members. Everybody you know probably could help you get some revenue on there. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Love y'all. Let's get it.